And 3, 2, 1, and the deal successfully closed. Traders, and today we're going to make $582, and I'll start with only 100. So, did I get you interested? And we will do it with very cool strategy. So, if you're in, then sit back and keep watching this video. But before I start this video, I want to recommend to subscribe to my Telegram channel, because there I personally publish every weekday very profitable signals with which you can start earning big money. For example, like my Mike did, he earned just from $100, he earned money for his mom's new car. Can you imagine it? And why it did Mike but not you? Just subscribe to my Telegram channel. All links in the description. And here we go. Here are the currency pair, and I have chosen for us today. And we will work with the trend indicators such as fractal and RSI. For the beginning, I'll show you the settings that I use. To do this, just click on this pencil, and you can use exactly the same ones. The period I use 2, styles are green and red. And I'll show you the settings for the second indicator. The period here is 14, and here I have styles to set green, turquoise, soft pink, and orange. And you can save my settings to use them later on in your trading. And right now I have $100 on my balance, and today I'm going to show you the mind-blowing strategy. And let's move on to the first currency pair. And of course, on this currency pair, I'll open a trade to lower the price. I did it because just now the local minimum was updated and the chart was going up. And after that, the local maximum will be updated soon. And after that, the chart will always go down. I open a trade right now for 1 minute, but for 5 minutes. That is why it's worth to taking not one step ahead, but several steps ahead. Upwards, and also, as you may have already noticed, the elbow zone has been touched, which means that the chart will go downwards. Right now it went down, after which they rebounded, and I predicted it will touch the upward area again, so I opened a down deal. And let's watch the course of the trade. And as soon as I took the screenshot off, we can see that the chart was going down, so you should always try to think ahead. But since many of you are just beginning traders, not all of you, but many, that's why even advanced traders, I always recommend you to use the signals in order not to lose your money. First, why do we need to open buy me signals? And the first reason is very convenient. The second, you can do it from absolutely any device, be it a computer or a phone. And thirdly, it's safe. I have a huge amount of feedback from my traders, and you can see all the feedback in my Telegram channel. And I think a lot of people are already interested in my Telegram channel, and I will tell you more about it while the deal is going on. To get it, you have to send me a private messages with a code word plus VIP. After this, I'll get you into my closed Telegram channel. There every weekday you will receive signals for trading absolutely free with no charges. The very beginning of the video I told you about Mike. He started with 100 and he's already bought his mom a car. He immediately shared his reactions and pictures, and I showed it in my Telegram channel, so you can go and see it right now. my Telegram channel is open, which is why you can watch it right now. So don't waste your time. And the last one is additional plus of my signals. It's that it's saving your time insanely. You don't need to spend hours, which is why our days or even weeks studying technical analysis. I'm especially doing all of it for you right now. And all you have to do is just open a deal on the broker site, and that's all. You just look how great the chart is moving, and it's a great downtrend. Now it's only a couple of seconds to close the deal, and the candles is decisive. But from my experience, I can say that our deal is 100% closed in plus, because even the current candle is much lower than the opening point of our deal. Our deal is closing on plus side, and I increase the amount of our deal to the maximum. Also, I want to decrease the time frame, and let's move to the next currency pair. And this currency pair is just perfect. Immediately I open a deal to lower the price, and immediately notice a large update of the local minimum. Also, the area of a boat has been affected. That is like a ping pong balls. It bounced from one side and will soon bounce from the opposite side. That is the forecast of that very soon the chart will touch the bottom area and rebound. It will go down. The same is true for the fractal indicator, but the chart will go upward. There was a price pullback. Soon the local maximum will be updated and the chart will go down. And as you can see, indeed, the chart has already gone down, but it's not going down that much. But it's at this point we can say that the deal is closing on the plus, and just recently updated the local maximum. And this gives us 100% guarantee that the price will start to move down. Yes, maybe the pullback will not be strong, but nevertheless, it will be. While we are watching, I will distract you from the point of this video a little bit, because I just got a trader message, and it just surprised me with his results. And I'll post his results in my Telegram channel. So hurry up and be amazed with me. But look, the graph hasn't gone yet. Yet the fall isn't strong, but there is no rise. To get such result in technical analysis, I studied this topic a lot. But don't need to do that, because you can use ready-made signals from professionals like me. We have already more just to write me, the code word plus VIP, and that's it. And now we have just a few seconds before the end of the deal, and the chart is going up, but it doesn't help anyway, because the opening of the trade is still much higher than the current candle. And 3, 2, 1, and the deal successfully closed. In plus, of course, and we have already more than double our original balance. And now look at our graph. At that time when we opened the trade, the graph behaved just perfectly, and as soon as our deal was closed, the candle began to grow very strongly. But I predicted all this in advance only because of my knowledge in technical analysis. But I don't want to stop there, and let's move on to the next currency pair. But first, I want to again put all my balance to the maximum. And now I want to open this trade for only 1 minute to show you how the analysis differs depending on the duration of the open trade. And here we will of course open a trade on the rising price, because we see a good intense upward progress, and the local low was updated and the chart went up, and there was a price pullback and his point. There was an updated local high, and there was only one candle that went down, and then the chart went up again. Yes, this can happen when the local maximum is updated twice in a row. But I judge not only by a fractal, I have also a second indicator. And as I observe that the oversold area has been touched there is not enough intensity to correct this area once again, and the chart will definitely go up. That is why I opened on a rise, and just look how wonderful, and it just move upwards. And by the way, the local maximum in this case is gone, because the next candle broke its previous maximum. But there are only a few seconds left to the end of the trade. And our trade successfully closed in plus, with the balance 582, as I promised you before in the beginning of the video. And I think that's all for today. Well, with you was me, Sabrina, and you were on my YouTube channel, where you can find all the necessary information about trading on binary options. And of course, here I show you how to trade correctly, and here you can see. So if you like this video, don't forget about your likes and about your comments. And if you want to have something more, then subscribe to my Telegram channel. I'm waiting exactly for you. And thank you all for watching. Bye.